Hey everyone, today I'm going to share a step-by-step guide on how to say goodbye to acne naturally. Let's dive right in. First things first, cleansing your skin is crucial. Use a gentle cleanser, preferably one that's sulfate-free. Sulfates can strip your skin of natural oils, which might actually worsen acne. Look for ingredients like tea tree oil, which has natural antibacterial properties. Gently massage the cleanser onto your face for about 30 seconds, then rinse with lukewarm water. Next up, let's talk about exfoliation. You want to exfoliate about 2 to 3 times a week. Over-exfoliating can irritate your skin and make acne worse. A great natural exfoliant is honey mixed with sugar. Just mix a teaspoon of raw honey with a teaspoon of sugar. Gently scrub your face in circular motions and rinse off with warm water. Now, on to toning. Apple cider vinegar is a fantastic natural toner. It can help balance your skin's pH and has antibacterial properties. Mix 1 part apple cider vinegar with 2 parts water. Use a cotton pad to apply it to your face. If your skin is sensitive, you might want to dilute it even more. Hydration is key. Aloe vera is a wonderful natural moisturizer. It's soothing, hydrating, and has anti-inflammatory properties. Simply apply pure aloe vera gel to your face. You can find aloe vera gel in most health stores or even use the gel directly from an aloe plant. Now let's talk about spot treatments. Tea tree oil is a powerful natural remedy. It has anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties. Dilute it by mixing 1 part tea tree oil with 9 parts water. Use a cotton swab to apply it directly to your pimples. A good face mask can do wonders. Try a turmeric and yogurt mask. Turmeric is known for its anti-inflammatory properties, and yogurt can help soothe and moisturize the skin. Mix a teaspoon of turmeric powder with 2 tablespoons of plain yogurt. Apply the mixture to your face and let it sit for about 15 minutes before rinsing off with warm water. And don't forget your diet. Eating a balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, and whole grains can make a big difference in your skin's health. Stay hydrated by drinking plenty of water. Finally, a good night's sleep is essential. Your skin repairs itself while you sleep, so make sure you're getting at least 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep each night. So there you have it. A natural and effective way to reduce acne. Remember, everyone's skin is different, so it might take some time to see results. Be patient and consistent with your routine. If you have any severe acne issues, it's always best to consult with a dermatologist. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more skincare tips. See you next time.